got something new for you to try.
Okay.
It's gonna be great for your hair. You're gonna be able to straighten and smooth with it.
Okay.
But the great part, it's triangular, so you can get right down to the root. And these teeth are protecting that heat inside. So don't worry about burning yourself. You can get as close to you want, even on the edges, anywhere in the part. All right, so we're gonna start with straightening. Super easy. I like to take sections that are only about, when your hair's this curly, like maybe a ½ inch, not quite an inch thick.
Okay.
And it can be 1 or 2 inches long, whatever you want. The brush is pretty long, so I go ahead and just do a nice comb through a couple times to see how it just kind of then starts to glide.
I love it.
And then go as close as you want there.
Okay.
And then for your last pass, you're just gonna come down nice and slow. Now you can pass it on the top and on the bottom if you want. Like sometimes I pass it through the top, and then when I do the slow one, I just come through the bottom. And then however you want those ends to be. If you want them straight, if you want them beveled, I'm just gonna kick it back a little bit.
Okay.
How about that? Yeah, so it's great if you want to clip off. You have so much hair, so you want to make sure the section's nice and clean like that, which is great. Then you can go right and scalp. I would brush on the top one time too.
Okay.
Like come down on the top of it.
Like the root.
Yeah, exactly. That's it. That really smoothed it, right?
It did. It did. And then come
nice and slow.
Like a little flip. Oh wow.
Wow.
Oh wow. I love this. I feel like you can play with it too. Like if I wanted to kind of bring it, let me see. Yep.
Yeah.
And get kind of like that extra flip.
Without a doubt.
Oh my god, that's so cute. Okay. So I'm gonna start close to the edge because the one thing I do see that it's doing is smoothing out my edges.
Nice.
And that's like a plus for me. Like my edges have to be laid down.
And it's easy to do that even after we get it all straight. You can go back in and really smooth those edges down. Ooh, look at that.
Oh my god.
Super soft.
So pretty.
And we don't even have any product on it. So
no
we could
product.
do a serum.
Like look at this edge. Look at this edge.
That's amazing.
And then like the curls over here, like it just lays down so smoothly. I really love how it came in and got my edges smooth. Like I love this. I absolutely love it. Like look how full my hair looks.
Right. And if you want to press them even down now,
okay,
you can just go to the edges, right? And like you can kind of use, I like to use the back of the barrel a little bit.
Okay.
Once you get in there,
It's
like after, then
like
press.
Okay.
You see how you can press a little bit more?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
No, it's just amazing that there's no product and it's just the tool that's doing this. I have nothing that does this. Like I always have to put product on my hair and then go in.
And we could still use product, but I just wanted to show the power of it before that, you know.
Yeah. It looks really good.
Let me show you a couple other things.
Okay.
You can take bigger sections with this because it's nice and wide.
Okay.
But I love to like take the side and do like a really nice bevel, which means you kind of arc up in the middle here.
Okay.
And then you see how much I'm turning this barrel like full circle, really.
Right.
So then see how it's like fully, then the teeth are gonna flip up on me. See how they're flipping up?
Yeah.
And then I get that.
Ooh.
Perfect under bevel. So the more you flip it and give it that tension, the more that you're gonna get, like I did. Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Yeah. Nice.
I'm in love.
Great. So when you want that little bit of bump up here, you know, like in the crown, just for a little height, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna take like that section again after you've done it. But the important thing is to really press forward and be down on the scalp like that. And see when I turn it, so I'm gonna make sure I don't get that hair in front of it. So I'm gonna press down, and when I turn this to flip up, see how I'm laying it on your scalp?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna count for like 5 seconds there on the scalp, and then just pull around and kind of pop back. So you wanna try that?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Is that a good enough?
The important thing is just to push. When you think you're pushing forward enough, push forward more.
Okay.
Like really push forward and stay down on the scalp, right? Even forward a little more. Forward. Yeah, and then flip that up, but keep the barrel on your head, perfect, and stay there for a second, and then come on up through. There you go. We're gonna lift in that crown.
It's so easy.
All right, so I know this one's a little advanced, but
okay.
You've been doing so great. I know you're gonna do it.
Okay.
So you can even make a wave. So I'm just combing through.
Okay.
And then basically you're just gonna twist this through like you're kind of curling a ribbon. Just twist through like that, all the way spinning. There we go. You got a cute little wave.
Yeah.
So you just put it in and you're gonna spin a full circle. But you're gonna spin it like 3 times. Okay. Yeah. Come on down with it though. So so it still travels. Now spin another circle. Once you come through, whole tool has to spin. That's it. There you go. Okay. That's how you do the waves. Cute. Actually, I love it. Look, I can hardly tell which side's my side and which side's your side. Good job.
It's pretty.
It's great. And I love this cute little wave. I liked it when it was straight too, but there's the option of super straight and sleek, a little bit of movement, and even a little bit of even more wave if you wanted to. Plus your little bow. I like it. Good job.
Thank you. I love it.